Intermission, PIX2048 MemSet. We have a dirty flag in the data section, an assert byte function to help us, and a function within the function section for PIX2048, which does a memset. We take the hotel X and Y, and we want to fill it with a arbitrary byte sequence. So this sequence right here is a bit-packed pixel, which will set the red, green, blue, and alpha. We'll do some error checking right here, if error checking is on. Here's the red, green, blue, and alpha bytes that we are going to extract from the input U32 right here. Here is the memory region we want to modify in pixels. And here's the pixel X, pixel Y, pixel index, and pixel component, and then an assert function here. We're going to calculate the memory region here, and then we're going to loop through that memory region, and we are going to set the red, green, blue, and alpha bytes in the correct locations. And we're going to mark everything as dirty so that eventually we can do a texture push. What we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. We'll get back to the Konami code part 4 in another video. This has been video 183. You can get the source code here, and I go into more detail on this playlist if you need more detail. This has been video 183. Like and subscribe.